How to install Wire Messenger on your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on an iPhone and want to install Wire Messenger, then you can download it in a few minutes. First of all, unlock your iOS device and open up the App Store. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, go to the search bar at the top and type in Wire Messenger and search. Look for this Wire Secure Messenger from Wire Swiss GmbH, and once you find this application, tap on the Get button on your iOS. Now, if you are downloading the app for the first time, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Go ahead and do that, and your download process will begin. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. So that the app can download and install quicker, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once the app is installed, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed Wire Messenger on your iOS device. Now, go ahead and enter your email address, sign up in order to start, and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.